Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Rangoli dots and how to make flowers from that Rangoli dots. To make perfect Rangoli dots, I'm going to use the squeeze bottle like this. You can buy these bottles from Amazon. I have got a 2-ounce bottle because I find it comfortable to use 2-ounce bottle. You can get different sizes from Amazon. You get 1 ounce, 4 ounce, 6 ounce, 8 ounce. I prefer buying 2-ounce bottle. So let's see how can you make a Rangoli dot using these squeeze bottles. So put some color inside the bottle and make sure the mouth of the bottle is wide enough so that the colors can come out easily. And then use this bottle to make dots like this. You can squeeze the bottle. 1, 2, 3. Once you know how to make Rangoli dots, you can make nice flowers using these squeeze bottles and bangles. Let me show you how to make flowers by using bangles. So I'm going to use these bangles to make a flower right now. So place this bangle like this. Take your color bottle. Make sure that you are going to make 6 big dots inside the bangle. So hold your bangle and make 6 big dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and just adjust so that it looks consistent. Then remove this bangle carefully. Now I'm going to use a small spoon to spread these dots to make a flower out of it. You can also use a big spoon, but just make sure the shape of the spoon is like this. So now I'm going to use the spoon to spread it. And like this. If you want, you can spread it a little more to make it a little big. Yep. And now like the center of the flower, I will put some white color over here. And to spread the center, I'm going to use this bottle cap. So like this. So yeah, a flower is ready. If you want, like, you can add some shading to the flower. So what you can do is pour some more color over here. And again use this small spoon to spread the colors. So yeah, a simple and easy flower is now ready, and you can use these tips and tricks to make a flower. In the next video, I will show you how to clean the spilled over colors. Till then, bye bye.